So YouTube, it's your boy Fat Rock with another pickup. Just got this in the mail today, straight from Taiwan. Shout out to 4kicks.com. They definitely got some hot shoes, because this is gonna hot pickup right here. So, go ahead and open this up for you. They got the shipping papers and all that. So, as you can see, OG Nike box. Gotta check the sticker. Got that. So, and we have we got things up. Okay, so oh my, yes. Oh yes. If you can see these are beautiful. Wow. Deadstock, FOAMPOSITE Pros, red and black. Deadstock. These are nice. See it? So another pickup, guys. Pickup. Got these straight from Taiwan. Deadstock. Super clean. You see them? Yo, so you guys let me know what you think about these, man. Let me know what y'all's favorite colorways are, you know. You see the I guess between the pros and then the ones. And if y'all don't remember, the pros are the ones with the check, like these, and then the ones are the pennies with the, just a straight FOAMPOSITE across. But like I said, man, another pickup. Got these in from Taiwan today. Straight heat. Hey, so you see, don't be messing around with the foams. Don't be playing with the foams, y'all. So, another pickup, Fat Rock. Let me know what you guys think. Rate, subscribe, comment. New pickup, Deadstock, red, FOAMPOSITE Pros, OG, and the crib. Alright, y'all. You already know I got some more coming y'all's way.